our sales manager.
Hi Fanny, how are you?
Hello.
And Andy?
This is Andy. Yeah, and I'm Tracy. And then
And your company name?
Oceano.
Okay, I want to capture this.
Thank you.
Nice.
And then we are the open
Catalog.
company.
Yes.
Yeah. And here's the catalog that we introduce our company first. And we have 3 production line. This is our whole history. We built up in 1998 and make the popular list in 2017.
Very
So,
popular company.
Yeah,
Yes.
top 5 in China actually.
Wow.
And then here is our production. Yeah,
Production
factories.
unit.
Yeah.
Yes.
We have
Right now we have 3 factories.
What is the name of this tile?
Silverstone.
Silverstone.
Yes, Silverstone. This is item number.
Yes, very beautiful design. And
Yes.
Very high quality.
And the
See the body.
back side and the material you use is very strong and strengthened.
Yes.
Very strong material.
Yes.
So
Because this one actually is we make by the Italian machine,
Mhm.
and also our design is by from Italian design company. So we
We
work
cooperate
together.
with Italian designer to
Mhm.
make these designs.
You can see
Wow.
everything here. We make the details.
and you export these tiles to Europe?
To Europe, maybe no, because the anti-dumping
Anti-dumping.
issues. Normally, we ship to like North American, South American, and Middle East, of course, Dubai, and a lot of countries like together. Also, Southeast, like Korean, Japan, and also Philippines. So
Wow.
many countries.
Nice.
And also we
You
are
look
really-
like Filipinos.
Okay, thank you so much. And also like this way, you can see our body for the details. I will send you the e-catalog for
Okay.
the whole
On my
introduce.
WhatsApp.
Yes.
On my WhatsApp.
And here is some project. We work with the top 15, the real visited, like the company all over China. So we are
Okay.
really strong company.
You are very famous in China.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So that you can see the retail things. Now we're showing all the series from the big size. There you can see it's 1.2 by 2.7 meter. We have a different color and the design effects. Like
Oceano.
Yeah, Oceano. Yes.
And this one also Oceano.
Yes. Yes. Same range.
Same name and two different shade. Two different shades.
Item just different. Design. Yeah, design different. And here is the 80 by 2.6 meter. You can see. Right now it's really popular in China actually.
Same.
And here is the 90 by 180. It's the famous one, you know, in Pakistan. Right
Yes,
now.
people like a lot in these
This
two
size.
these two
Yeah, this
Yeah.
side.
size and color.
Yes.
Size
This
and
one is matte, and we also have the polish, so that you can see
th-
everything.
these are matte tiles,
Yeah,
Yes.
tiles.
and you have
Polishing.
polishing like that.
And then this is the difference.
This is a matte.
Yes. And after we also for the tiles for outdoor, indoor, but this one's normally for fall and will go for.
For elevation,
Sorry.
elevation,
Elevation
building
also,
elevation.
Yeah. For the outstanding is also okay. Here is some accessory like mosaic.
And you make a paving tiles and for tiles for pool. pool.
For pool, yes, also
Yes.
with the
Swimming
mosaic.
pool.
Yes, these are for
Yeah,
pools.
mosaic.
Yeah.
Mosaic.
Mosaic for
Yeah.
pools.
Swimming pool or some visual wall for decoration.
And here is some accessory and some material then you help to to stick the tiles. Yes.
Bounds,
Yes.
Yes.
So we
adhesive,
have- Yes.
adhesive and bounds.
Yes. So we have everything. And here's the project details. For what tiles we use for the project, and also like the bathtub, the sanitary we use. So maybe after we can also introduce that part. And here is some big, project in the domestic market. And finally, this is some other projects too. So you can check more, and we will send you the PDF to introduce more because you see so many.
Yes, and the book is written in Chinese.
Yes. We have the English version. And here is the
Second part.
sanitary.
Yes, second part.
Second part, our brand is Malaj.
Mhm.
You can see here. And then with the bathtub, with the cabin, with the toilet, everything. And also the
Shower, yeah.
accessory, shower there.
Oh,
This
Nice.
is the hardware series. You can check.
Now you are step into this business.
Yes.
Because we are the popular needs, so we have so many funds that we can need to build up the group. Like we can satisfy the projects need together. So you can see everything here. We will also
Faucets.
Yeah,
faucets.
faucet.
We'll also send you the e-catalog for everything.
Okay,
Also the shower.
Shower.
Yeah. This is the toilet. And also for the tapping together. So this is the whole story of Oceano.
Wow, nice
Thank
to meet you.
Thank you. And then
Thank-
hope to work with you in the future. Yeah.
Thanks for your precious time and thanks for inviting me. Thank you.
so much.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
It's really official.